How to Learn English from Zero, a complete beginner's guide. Introduction. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wanted to speak English confidently but didn't know where to start? Maybe you feel overwhelmed because there are so many books, apps, videos, and courses. You might even think that learning English is too difficult. The good news is this: anyone can learn English. You don't need to be a genius. You don't need to live in an English-speaking country. You don't need expensive courses. What you really need is a clear plan, daily practice, and patience. In today's lesson, I'll show you exactly how to start learning English from zero. By the end of this video, you'll know what to study, and how to improve every single day. Let's get started. Step 1. Learn the English alphabet and sounds. Every journey begins with the basics. If you are a complete beginner, start by learning the English alphabet. Learn the names of all 26 letters and the sounds they make. Remember that English pronunciation is not always the same as spelling. For example, the letter A can sound different in different words. Spend a few minutes every day listening to native speakers pronounce letters and simple words. Practice saying the alphabet aloud until it becomes natural. Step 2. Learn the most common words. Don't try to memorize thousands of words at once. Instead, learn the most useful everyday vocabulary. Start with words about family, food, numbers, colors, days of the week, months, jobs, school, home, weather. When you learn a new word, don't memorize only the meaning. Learn how to pronounce it, how to spell it, how to use it in a sentence. For example, word, apple. Sentence, I eat an apple every morning. Learning words in sentences helps your brain remember them much faster. Step 3. Learn simple grammar. Many beginners are afraid of grammar, but grammar doesn't have to be difficult. Start with simple grammar rules. Learn subject, verb, object. For example, I drink water. Subject, I. Verb, drink. Object, water. Then learn the present simple tense. Examples: I work every day. She studies English. They play football. Don't study every grammar rule at once. Learn one rule, practice it, and then move to the next one. Step 4. Listen every day. Listening is one of the fastest ways to improve your English. Even if you understand only a few words, keep listening. Watch English videos for beginners. Listen to podcasts. Watch cartoons. Listen to short stories. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Your brain is slowly becoming familiar with English sounds. Little by little, you'll understand more. Step 5. Read every day. Reading improves your vocabulary and grammar at the same time. Start with easy texts. Children's books are perfect for beginners. Short stories are also a great choice. When you find a new word, read it, listen to it, repeat it. Use it in your own sentence. This simple habit will help you remember new vocabulary much longer. Step 6. Speak from the first day. Many learners wait until they become perfect. That day never comes. Start speaking today. Even if you know only 10 words, use them. For example, hello. My name is Sarah. I am from Algeria. I like coffee. I study English. Simple sentences build confidence. Remember, fluent speakers became fluent because they practiced speaking, not because they waited. Step 7. Practice writing. Writing helps organize your thoughts. Every day, write 5 simple sentences. For example, today is Monday. The weather is sunny. I am happy. I study English. I will practice again tomorrow. As your vocabulary grows, your writing will naturally become better. Step 8. Learn in small daily sessions. You don't need 5 hours every day. Even 20 minutes can make a huge difference. For example, 5 minutes reviewing vocabulary, 5 minutes listening, 5 minutes reading, 5 minutes speaking. Consistency is much more important than studying for long hours only once a week. Step 9. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Every English speaker made mistakes. Every teacher made mistakes. Every fluent learner made mistakes. Instead of saying, I'm afraid to speak, say, I'm learning. Every mistake teaches you something new. The more mistakes you make, the faster you improve. Step 10. Build an English environment. Surround yourself with English every day. Change your phone language to English. Follow English YouTube channels. Listen to English music. Read simple English articles. Watch English movies with subtitles. The more English you see every day, the faster your brain adapts. A simple daily study plan. Here is an easy routine for beginners. Morning. Review 10 vocabulary words. Afternoon. Watch a 10-minute English lesson. Evening. Read 1 short paragraph. Before bed. Speak for 5 minutes about your day. This routine takes less than 1 hour, but if you follow it every day, your English will improve much faster. Stay motivated. Learning English is a marathon, not a race. Some days will be easy. Some days will be difficult. Don't compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with yesterday. Celebrate every small success. Your first sentence. Your first conversation. Your first English book. Your first movie without subtitles. Every small step brings you closer to fluency. Final advice. If you remember only 3 things from today's lesson, remember these. Practice every day. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Never give up. English is not learned overnight. It is learned 1 word, 1 sentence, and 1 conversation at a time. If you stay consistent, one day you'll realize that you understand